Grades 5 to 9 of Fravashi International Academy gave spectacular performances on the occasion of their 14th annual day, celebrating the theme Bharat Kal Aaj Kal, depicting the beautiful eras of our wonderful country.
When you see this event, you know what is the past, present and future. I mean, like it is trying to inculcate in the minds of the young ones, like what was India before and how much has it progressed till now. So this was a very beautiful event.
दोन्ही पण मुलं ह्या शाळेमध्ये शिकत आहेत आणि प्रत्येक वर्षी काही ना काही बदल ह्या ॲन्युअल डेच्या फंक्शनमध्ये फ्रावशी इंटरनॅशनल अकॅडमीतर्फे आपण सर्व आयोजित करत असतात आणि मी आजपर्यंत कुठलाही शो संस्थेचा ह्या शाळेचा मिस केलेला नाही आहे.
All the programs are very well organized and well disciplined. It's very motivating and I liked it very much.
खूप छान वाटलं आणि नातूचंही पण असं कौतुक बघायला मिळालं. मेन म्हणजे असं जास्त शाळेत येणं होत नाही तर आमचं तो मिळालं तर आम्ही तो सोडत नाही. मला पण आवड आहे त्या सगळ्या गोष्टीची.
खूपच ग्रँड झाला. कल आज और कल थीम खूप आवडली आणि मला तर मी मराठी म्हणले की डोळ्यातनं पाणी आणि अंगावर छाले. खूप
केवळ अप्रतिम आहे, अप्रतिम.
Play which was there, like from where it was showing the postman and everything. We have been through all these things. It touched a lot. It was flawless. I have enjoyed a lot.
And we have been fortunate enough to be a little bit of all three. See the transition, so it kind of put us in a flashback, and it felt great. Especially the performance by the kids was very synchronized. I could see some originality, some creativity in terms of the choreographic steps, in terms of what they were trying to articulate. The speakers in between, I think that they did not stretch it too far or did not keep it too short. There was a nice balance. The background, whatever was being run while the events were ongoing, that was also good. So all in all, we really enjoyed this, and we are happy and thankful to be part of this event.